G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, quick video today. I just purchased this air compressor from Temu. They go for around $20 Australian. There's many vendors on Temu that actually stock this product. You can get it in a USB rechargeable option, or you can get one with the cord. Now, as you can see here, I've got one with the 12 volt connector, so it is a wired version of this. And there's a rechargeable option. Digital display on this one. It does say pointer, which would be the analog gauge, but all the ones I've seen in Temu all have the digital display. Now, of course, this is mainly for use. Well, I purchased it mainly for use for my car and my bikes, but you can use it for anything else that is inflatable. So, you know, you can use it for, obviously, you know, basketballs, footballs, if you want to inflate them. Also air mattresses and stuff like that around the house. So yeah, I decided to pick this one up, you know, to keep in the boot of my car. Pump up those tires when they're getting a little bit low on PSI. So obviously there's nothing much to it. We got some extra valves there, or valve connectors. So as you can see in this little bag, we've got the little connector valve needle for pumping up basketballs, footballs, any other inflatables like that. We also got a little fuse for the 12 volt connector that plugs into your car for 12 volt power in this case, because my one is the not the rechargeable version. And we've got a couple of other extra plastic attachments for, you know, blowing up air mattresses or anything else that you might want to inflate. Have an instruction leaflet. Now, I'm not even going to really bother looking at this, but it folds out pretty large. It's in all different languages, and you can refer to that if you wish to. There's no real need though, because it's pretty straightforward. And of course, we've got the air compressor here. So I've got the 12 volt wire. There's quite a bit of wire here. I believe on the listing it says 2 meters of wire. Okay, that plugs into your car. And we've got the air compressor here, with of course the valve to go on the valve stems on either your car or your bike. Now on the front here we also have a LED light which turns on once the compressor is on. Got our trigger here, of course, to start the pump, and we've got a plus and minus button here, as well as a mode button which displays all different types of air pressure. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go hook this up to my car. Like I said, it's a quick video. I'll show you exactly how it works. And yeah, for 20 bucks, I think it's definitely something that you should consider getting for yourself. So anyway, guys, like I said, quick video. I'm going to go out the front now and pump up one of my tires and demonstrate this little air compressor. So let's cut to that. I'll go out the front and we'll check one of my tires out. Okay, as you can see, to get power, I've just plugged it into the cigarette lighter for the 12 volt power. Got quite a bit of cable here to reach all the wheels, okay? And I've got it hooked up to my front wheel here, which has only got 34.5 PSI at the moment. Quickly flick the trigger once and start pumping up the tire. Set it to, I think, 37.5 PSI. Okay, we're done now. 37.5 PSI, and it even has a LED light on the front, like I mentioned before, which would be perfect for when you've got a flat tire at night. You can see what you're doing. Okay, so we'll just release that lever, and off the valve comes. Simple as that, just like any compressor. Alright, now for the readouts, if you want to change it from PSI to different ones, you can change it to bar, kPa, kilograms a centimeter squared, or my preferred one, which is PSI. That's your mode button up the top there. And these two buttons are your plus and minus, obviously, for the PSI, so you can increase it or decrease it. Simple as that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this little air compressor. It's portable, you know, you just run off the 12 volt cigarette plug there, the 12 volt outlet, and you're good to go, guys. And like you can see there, You got more than enough cable to reach the back tyre as well as the front. Obviously you just swap over to the driver's side, in my case, being a right-hand drive vehicle, poke it through the driver door and then do the other side, which I'm going to actually do now. So anyway guys, if you're interested in having a look at getting one of these portable air compressors yourself, I'll leave a link to where I purchased this one from on Temu, guys. Alright, so thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.